Hi guys, today I am going to unbox my new HP USB 2.0 flash drive. I have brought it from Amazon.com. It is very sleek and stylish and has a metallic design. As you can see on the right side, you can see the barcode, and now it is tightly packed in a polythene case. I have taken out my pair of scissors and now I am going to rip it open so that the contents will be revealed to you. It is very firmly packed so that water and dust contents may not damage the device. Here I am cutting it open. As you can see, on the back side is the product details. There is the QCR code, the bar code, all of it, and here I am cutting it out. As you can see, here it is packed in a bubble foam case so that any physical damage to the device during shipment may not occur. Now I am again taken out my pair of scissors and now I will cut it out, and here now all the contents will be revealed to you. Now as you can see in the bag, it is packed in bubble foam, and the pen drive is also packed in the bubble foam so that any physical damage during shipment or any physical injury may not occur to the device. Now here you can see I am now opening it, and here it is. As you can see, this is the invoice, and here you can see on the top there is the HP logo, and on the metal on the pen drive there is also HP logo. Pen drive is of metallic finish with HP logo on it, and the storage capacity is 16 GB. You can store music, videos, documents, etc. on this flash drive. Now you can see this is the back side, and here there are total details about the item. Here is the invoice. I have brought it from Amazon.com. The price is rupees 609, but we got a discount and it came to me at 450 rupees, 450 INR. Now you can see from all the sides it is firmly packed in another very hard polythene case, and now I am going to cut it out. As you can see, I have taken out a pair of scissors and I am cutting it out. Here it is very tightly packed from all sides. On one side you can see it is very hard plastic, and now I am going to take the pen drive out. This is it. It has a good finishing from all sides. It has a 3D hologram on which on the side authentic is written, and it is silver in color, so it is the genuineness certificate. You can connect it to your laptop, desktop, etc. And on the back side you can see the sticker on which the product information and the product details are written. Here now I am going to take out the pen drive. As you can see, this is the pen drive with the HP logo. It is now here. This is the thing. This is my new HP pen drive, and it is the capacity is 16 GB. You can store all the music files, your video files, your documents, etc. And here this is the thing. It is the back side of it. On the back side you can see the sticker on which you can see all the product information like the name of the manufacturer. It is manufactured by Intro Power Technologies Limited. The month and year of manufacture, it is manufactured in March 2017. As you can see, here is the HP, my new sleek stylish HP pen drive with HP logo. As you can see, it is of 16 GB and its model number is V232W. On the bottom side you can see the UPC code, which is the Universal Product Code, which provides information about the uniqueness of the product. It is compatible with Windows 10, Mac OS 10.3 or later. It is also compatible with Windows 7, Windows XP. It comes with a 2-year warranty notice. For product regulatory notice and operating system instructions, we can see it at www.hp.com/support. For product support, we can see it at email hpsupport@pny.com. On the bottom side, you can see the barcode, and this is the final thing. Here is my new HP USB 2.0. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.